Hey guys, NaJae back here with another video. It won't be too long this time, I promise, but this time I want to talk to you guys about essential essential oils for pet odors. um, it's just, I listed about 9 of them, so I'm just going to give you the names of the oils, and then you can look them up, and then how to use the oils that I mentioned. Okay, so 1 is lavender, 2 is lemon, then there's orange, lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, eucalyptus, cedarwood, and peppermint. So I've used all those oils in some type of skincare product, some type of bathroom product that I've made, laundry products, and it's amazing how universal these essential oils can be used for. You guys have mentioned, if you've seen more of my other videos, that I've mentioned a lot about lavender. Lavender is pretty much in every recipe, every product. You know, that's why it's one of Young Living's popular ones. And then how to use these essential oils would be, you can make a DIY carpet powder. So I may show you guys a few clips of DIY projects that I do that you can make easily at home. Buy the oils and then make your own stuff. It's pretty amazing and it's fun. You can make a non-toxic room spray. So if you, especially if you have young children, if you don't even have children, but for yourself, you want to, and you are on the oil journey, you want to be all healthy and non-toxic, that one would be a really good recipe. And then there's diffuser blends. So you can get the oils, put them in diffuser blends. That's what I do with my dog. I do not like the smell of pet odor at all. So I run my diffuser all day, 24/7. And then also you can bathe a dog with essential oils. So you can put it right there on their fur and wash them just like any other. But you can probably most likely add in, so if you already have like a shampoo and conditioner for your dog, you can buy the essential oils, add them to those products. And that's how that works. But okay, I just want to tell you guys this, I just want to show you guys this little video. I'll see you guys in my next one, okay? Bye.